What's up, guys? Hopefully this don't die on me, but this is what I'm my meal. I got fries, I got wings, catfish, and it gave me a lot of ketchup and tartar sauce. Ooh, that ranch is not too bad. That is special, $25. Wings and catfish. Let's try it. I do love catfish, so. Wow, that's pretty good. Now they do have a meal deal, but it's kind of expensive. It's like, I think it's like 2 pieces of catfish, 4 pieces of shrimp, and 6 pieces of wings with fries. That's called the Taste Box, and this is pretty good. Like, okay, the hot sauce, it's kind of bland. Yeah, I don't know. I care about the hot sauce, but don't really find good catfish like this, you know. And I mean, you do in Houston, but locally, that means like really close to my house, you don't. So if I really want some catfish, I'll definitely be come back here. It's a bussin' bussin'. It's actually really good. Cannot lie. Try fry. Fries are good. I just feel like they could be seasoned more. If that makes sense. The fries. But they're pretty good. None but ketchup could fix, because I believe that ketchup does fix whack fries. That makes sense. And this place, oh, I see. So I'm gonna put the. Oh, I missed it. Okay. That dry erase board with the menu. I think not menu, but some items on there, like the drinks, the flavor of the wings, the desserts, and the burger. And I was like, "Where's the burger on the menu?" I see it. I see it on this little pamphlet thing. I see it. Now, I wish they could do 3 and 3 flavors, like 3 wings and flavor and a wing flavor. But it makes sense why I don't do it like that, because they will definitely run out of flavors faster. So that makes sense. So I get that. But in my opinion, I wish they did. Because I like a mega habanero, but I like to try the natural hot. But now I know this, makes me just want to go back there for more fries. And nothing wrong. I'm really digging their combos. And their, I should have got the onion rings, try them. Because I really haven't found, believe it or not, I really haven't found a good onion ring place. I like the onion rings from, only onion rings I really like, that I can vouch for, is Buffalo Wild Wings. And I don't know, I think they're, was it their, um, what is it? Their onion rings are beer batter, I guess. I don't know, but they're just good. And if you know some better, um, like I guess fast food chain, onion rings, I guess I would say, let me know, because I'm willing to do that. Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan Yeah, chef's quality hot sauce sucks. I need like the hot sauce from like not Burger. Hold on. Oh, sorry, I was in Burger King. Of from Popeyes, Louisiana. That's smack on this. That's probably what I would buy on deck at my house, just for this fish. So I wish. Oh, I see. You do have fried fish, and I think their thing is really is their wings and catfish, because I really see their wings pair with everything like wings and tenders. Okay, burgers, burger and wings, fish and wings, wings and pork chops, wings and, oh pork chop, wing and shrimp, fish and shrimp, wings and surf. And I don't know what that means surf. It's probably yeah. I should ask what is wing and surf. Hmm. Next time I go for curiosity, I'm gonna ask them what's that. Cause because it can be surf, it can be uh, what I think it is because they already have a box that's called a taste box. You know that has you know the wings, the fish, and the shrimp. So I don't know, but they do have two locations. One super close to me, and one on Richard Road. And y'all know I've been eating healthy, like I have been. Just today, I slipped up. So I wanted to support the business that I was close to, the food truck business. Well, a food truck business. And they're good for themselves. Because I bet you, the owner of this place, I mean, of the bar, of the cigar bar I was at, he he told them, hey, we'll give you a permanent spot at our place if you, what is it, do up another food truck and have it there. There's two occasions of it, and I'll be honest with you. Um, damn, buffalo chicken fried loaded fries. Damn, I don't know, man. It's good. They only gave me two drums and all flats. I'm gonna be honest with you on that. There's a great debate of which is better, flats or drums. Now, it's like talking about Ronaldo or Messi. You shouldn't have an argument about it. Just eat it. You shouldn't have an argument about who's better. Just watch them. Because when they are tired, that's it. You know? So that's why I say that. Like people have to say which is better. And just eat it. You know, stop whining. But I guess if I had to tell you which is better in my opinion, I would say uh, what is it? Drums. Because I like the whole carnivore aspect of it. You grab it, you could if it's big enough. Or you do those. Because I know a lot of people have told you how to eat it, but I'm going to tell you how I eat it. I'm going to show you with the rest of the wings are all flats. There's two ways to eat a flat. You do this. I'm going to get so messy, but you know what? This is for, what is it? Demonstrational purposes. Okay. Okay. Got all the meat on the bottom. See? I grab it, do this, and then well, it'll be cleaner if the bone wasn't so loose. But basically that's it. And you clean up what you have. Now there's another method. It's like this. You grab them and you do this. Oh, I messed up. The other method was supposed to keep it intact. Hold on. Oh, I did it. I'm doing it. Hold on. Okay, well I messed up. Well, not really. Do that. And then do this. And there you go. All the meat's gone. Or no one really does what I just did. No one really does what I just did. Or people do this. You grab one bone out. Like this. And there you go. And then you I'll be honest with you. There's people that are picky with their lemon pepper or their ranch or whatever when it comes to their wings. And in my opinion, I don't want to get mango habanero because there's the right amount of sweet with a good kick. And I'm going to tell you this. Would I be getting this flavor again? Because I feel like it's missing some heat. It's more sweet than anything. So, I'm going to leave some of these fries, even though I ate a majority of them. So, I'm going to eat this really quick. My thing's dying. All right. Done. This meal. So I can tell. Because out of air match is saying it's 10%. This meal was good. It's definitely all fried stuff. Like I'm pretty sure it's a fried pork chop. But what I'm saying is, I'm probably not gonna get this for a while because I've been eating healthy. By that I mean, I worked out today. I did 30 minutes on the treadmill. So I feel like this was kind of like a reward. But I don't know. I just felt like I didn't want to come home, make anything. Just wanted to bring it home. So, but yeah, it was pretty good. Just the wings are kind of small, I would say. But I like when wings are small because I feel like when you're trying to eat, this is my opinion on this. When wings are small and your object of the night is to drink beer, the purpose of eating and drinking. If you're trying not to drink and you know the wings are big and you want to fill off the wings, then that makes sense. because I love like they're more like snacky wings, if that makes sense. Like you can eat and drink. You know, take a bite of a wing and drink. So, but I ain't gonna lie to you. Hmm. The dry rub, orange pepper, lemon butter garlic, Cajun ranch, and then their flavors. The one that was kind of well, I wanted to try their natural hot. That's why I tried to see if they could do 3 and 3, but nah, they couldn't. Anyways, it's fine. I'm not digging. I'm not hating on that because honestly though, I almost didn't get food. I'm glad I did because now I know that catfishing is catfishing, or the catfish is catfishing. It's pretty good. I do like some cool fried catfish. So. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Over now, peace. And the only reason why I was at that place with the food truck, is because my friend from high school, he sang tonight, and he did really good. Like I've seen clips of him singing, but never really seen him sing, and he did pretty good. Like like if I know I was the only one there, but I felt good. I felt because I was supporting somebody that I know. So, anyways, I'm gonna go. Watch your own piece. Head squad out.